Hi there, and welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2016 Nissan Versa Note SV. This 2016 Nissan Versa SV has only 38,600 kilometers and a whole bunch of factory warranty that we can transfer into your name. This subcompact has a ton of legroom, lots of headroom, and lots of room for your four-legged fuzzy friends. You also get a 60/40 rear split seat with a rear tonneau cover so you can hide stuff in the back. Power windows, power locks, AC, tilt steering, cruise control, and let's not forget, keyless remote. The instrument panel is clear and bright, it's easy to read. You also get Uconnect hands-free for those calls while you're driving. And one of my favorite options, a backup camera. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low-rate bank financing with extended terms. Plus, we also assist people with BRUISED credit. That means we'll have you driving a newer vehicle at a lower rate the whole time you're rebuilding your credit. If it's raining or snowing or just cold like today, you know what? Whatever you're interested in, like this little Nissan Versa Note SV, don't worry, we'll back it up. You can enjoy viewing the car in the comfort of our heated indoor showroom under the showroom lights. Only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. All you have to do is look for the Coombs Country Junction. You'll see our outdoor display and the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. And all you got to do is go straight down and you'll run right into our indoor showroom. You know what? It's just a nicer way to buy a vehicle. You can deal with one or both of the owners. We'll answer all your questions. We'll get you approved. We'll get you a payment. We'll appraise your car. It's simpler. It's easier. We hope you'll enjoy it. And you know what? We just really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.